Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're doing is replacing the solo cowl, the tail section on the CF Moto 450SS. I thought it was simply going to be pop off the rear seat, put on a solo cowl that fits that spot. But that's not it. It's a whole entire tail section. It's pretty cool. It does come with instructions for those who aren't mechanically inclined. I'll open this up so y'all can see it. That way y'all know. Now these right here, these little leather pouches, these are pretty neat. Really good quality to protect the end of the cowling to not damage it. Let's see what else. Comes wrapped up nicely, bubble wrapped and all that. It's not too many bolts. You'll need an M5 hex wrench, Phillips screwdriver. That's about all the bolts that come off. And oh wait, I got some in my pocket as well. It's not too many of them. Right there, bam. So I'm gonna show you where the bolts came out from, so that way you guys know. Typically I'd have Junior do this himself because he knows how to do it and he's mechanically inclined himself, but he's at his my wife's parents' house for about a good week to 2 weeks, just depending on how long he wants to stay. My other 5 sons didn't want to go, so I have them with me. So you have to bear that in mind and bear with me. So here we are with the Phillips screw right here. No, Phillips screw right here. Phillips screw right here. Yeah, both of these are Phillips screws. Both of these are Phillips screws. This is the hex bolt. So you have to do that. You have to do this for the rider seat. Hex bolt, Phillips screw, hex bolt. Same on the other side. Then you'll need to come right up in here. Where is it? There we go. Another hex bolt. And then another hex bolt. After that, that should be it. I haven't pulled the cowling off, so I'm going to try to pull it off right now for the first time. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm missing something. Alright. Easy peasy. Now I imagine I probably need this black piece. I'm not sure, but I think I will for the other cowling. Yeah, I think I do. So I'm gonna get everything set up on the other cowling, and I'll edit that in here and show you guys. This looks pretty cool. Stop fighting! 2-year-old always causing a mess. Ruckus. But this looks really nice. Really nice. So here we are with the seat. For those of you that don't know, the seat bolts are right here. Flip the corner of the seat up and bam. So, solo cowl. Looks really nice. I'm loving that black with the blue flakes. That's really nice, really pretty. All right, so let me go ahead and get things set up and then I'll edit that in. All right, so I have everything on. Took literally about 3 to 4 minutes to get everything screwed in. You need to make sure that everything pops into place before you start screwing in these Phillips screws in. Make sure everything pops into place, snaps into place, and then you're good to go. And it looks like it's just gonna snap right on. It's gonna bolt up, obviously, where the holes are at. Let me show y'all. Bolt up right there, there, and there. I think that's it. Oh, and there. So I'll show y'all. In case y'all didn't know, this strap right there, that's for your rear passenger seat, so your passenger can have something to hold on to. Take your rear seat off, and then pull that strap over your rear seat. It's pretty much self-explanatory after that. So, let's snap this on. Make sure we got it right. Okay, I heard a pop. And it looks like we are good to go. So I gotta put the screw in right here. screw right here, right there, right there, right there, and then on the other side, right there. So it's simple. All in all, this should take you about, I already mentioned it before, but taking your time, not rushing it, I'll say 30 minutes to 1 hour tops. So I'm gonna get everything bolted back up, show you guys the bolt locations, stuff like that, and go from there. Oh, another thing though that was pretty neat, the tools underneath the rider's seat. Now I don't see why they're underneath the rider's seat, because it takes tools to get these off. If you have tools to get these off, then you probably don't need these right here. But another cool thing is they keep that hex key right here. So you take the rear seat off to take those two bolts off. So now you don't need tools to carry with you, which is pretty cool. And then obviously you have those right there that you can keep on. Leather pouches, use it for the fairings right here. Let's see what else. Yep. And that's it, pretty much. Let me go ahead and get everything bolted back up. Secure some of these bolts that I won't be using, because the hex key bolts I will be using. And I should be using just 2 of these. Yep, right here, both of these, and that's it. Alright. Alright, so here it is. Diablo looking real good right now. My son named it Diablo. I don't know why. He said it reminded him of the game Diablo. But he's looking good though. He's looking real good. There's my helper. It's really nice. I like it. It definitely gives the bike a bit of a different look. And now with the solar cowl on, crap, that's right, I totally forgot. My oldest takes the younger ones for rides, so that's gonna be problematic. But with the solar cowl on, we can start removing the rear pegs, drop some more weight whenever we're able to get it out to a track. We haven't been able to do that just yet. Yeah, but it's beautiful though. Beautiful. So to get access to it, take these off. Hex key bolts. Bam, bam. Come right here, unscrew that. Up there, unscrew that. Same on the other side. Pop the seat off, and you'll have about 4 more bolts. But in total, you should have 5 bolts left over. 1 hex bolt, and the rest will be Phillips head screw bolts, and that's it. Or Phillips head screws, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps some of y'all that want to change out your solo cowl and put it on here, or put a solo cowl on your bike or whatnot. It's fairly straightforward. It's not hard. It's easy. I'll have my phone number in the description, so just hit me up if you need help or if you have questions on it, and I'll definitely be here to help y'all.